So for this question, it's about organic chemistry, and it's name the following compound. I'm going to go ahead and write out the compound. So first of all, looking at this compound, you see that there are no double bonds, which when there's no double bond, that means that it's an alkane. And well, at first you want to find the longest chain of carbons. And the way you do this is, when you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can't go 1, 2, 3 because there's more than right there at 4. And you wouldn't start on this side because then you would have, you want the lowest amount of numbers. So you'd have 1, 2, 3. Instead, you'd have your methyl dimethyl at 2, at 3, where going this way you would have it at the 2. So you want the lowest amount of numbers. And again, this is an alkane, which means that there are single bonds. There's no double bonds, no triple bonds. So that's how you know that the A and E will be your ending. So next you see that there's 4 carbons, which mean that it is a butane. So being a butane, now we have to look at it, and you could see on carbon number 2 there are a carbon on top and a carbon on bottom, and you have to name these. You can't just leave it as if it were hydrogen. You have to name it. So since there's only a single bond, it would be a methyl. If there was a double bond right there, if there was 2 bonds, 2 carbons, it would be a ethyl, but it's a methyl. So it would go 2, 2, because on 2, and you just wouldn't write methyl. That's incorrect. The way you do it is you have to use 2, 2 dimethyl. So 2, 2 dimethyl. So you got the dimethyl because you have 2 carbons on number 2, and there's 2 of them. So 2 dimethyl. Now you just add the butane to the ending. So it'd be 2, 2 dimethyl butane. So putting it all together, it'd be 2, 2 dimethyl butane.